Good morning, everyone. As you have probably noticed, there is no CSS on my site currently. I apologize, there were some last minute changes made to the site that messed up my CSS layout, but I promise my site works, and it's what's on the inside that matters. So here's my registration page. It takes in name, email, age, username, and password. Since I already have an account, we'll go ahead and just log in with my information. You just need your username and password to log in. On the home page is a little mission statement and the reason why this website has been made. You can also see that it displays your most recent blood pressure levels and your most recent blood sugar levels. It does it a limit of 3 data. On the top there's a home page, add new data and view new data, or view data. We can go ahead and click on the add new data and you can see that there's two options, either add blood pressure, add blood sugar. You can enter the blood sugar amount that you want and then enter the date. I have been having a little bit of issues with the date, so I'm just gonna zero everything out. Go ahead and hit submit. It confirms that the blood sugar was added. We go back to the previous page. We go into the home page. Since it wasn't one of the most recent dates, it does not actually update on here because this does it by calendar date, not by the date that it was added by the user. We can then go to view data and it lets you show, in this one we can choose either blood pressure to view as a graph or a table or blood sugar to view as a graph or a table. If you view it as a table, you can see there's your levels, the times and dates they were taken. So as you can see, there's another one that's been zeroed out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I think it just kind of depends on how my site's feeling that day. Here's kind of where the biggest issue I've had with my site was viewing it as a graph. So this is ideally what it would look like as entry points were being added, as new data would be added. It would slowly just build the graph. The only issue is I actually got this graph from JavaScript or from a site and used JavaScript to implement it, and it's kind of been difficult pulling my data from MySQL and using it on the graph in JavaScript. This is mostly my website. Again, I apologize for it not having any CSS, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.